Hey guys, what's up? What's going on? Welcome back to Keegan's Kitchen. Today I'll be showing you how to make this delicious shrimp and risotto recipe. Stay tuned. So here are the ingredients that I'll be using for today's recipe. I have my arborio rice for the risotto. I have Parmesan cheese, some seafood magic, soy sauce, some white wine. This one is Chardonnay. I have some garlic powder, complete seasoning, white pepper powder, paprika. I have my chicken stock that I just made a few hours ago. A little bit of oil, brown sugar, grated ginger, a little bit of garlic. I have my shallots, saffron, habanero pepper, about 2 tablespoons of butter, and my one of the main ingredient, shrimp. These are some super extra large shrimp. I don't know the exact names, they're tiger shrimp or something else, but this is what we'll be using for today's recipe. All right, stay tuned. Go ahead and add your 2 tablespoons of butter. Now once your butter is melted, then you want to add a little bit of oil, preferably olive oil, just a little, not much, about a teaspoon. Then you want to add your shallots. This is 1 small shallot. You want to stir it up. Stir it up a little bit for about 1 minute. Now once the shallots becomes translucent, then we're going to add a little bit of garlic, grated garlic, just to add some extra flavor. Stir it up a little, just a few seconds, because you don't want to burn the garlic. You know, you don't want that bitter taste. All right. Now, add your rice. Stir it up. And you just want to stir this up for about a minute. Now it's time to add my white wine. Yeah. Pop it open. Woo. All right. Oh yeah. Smelling good. Smelling good. Wow. I'm gonna add a little bit of complete seasoning. About a teaspoon of complete seasoning. Stir it up. Come on, stir it up just like that. And we're just gonna let this dissolve a little bit before we add our chicken stock. Alright guys, so now as you can see, the white wine, you know, is drying out a little bit. So now we're gonna add chicken stock. So this is about 2 cups of chicken stock that I made earlier. And now we're also gonna add some saffron. Just add the whole packet. Stir it up. And right now the stove is at high heat. You know, we're gonna turn the stove down a little bit in a few minutes. Now, once it comes to a boil, you want to turn it down to about medium heat and let it slow cook. After you turn it down, you want to cook this for about 15 minutes until the rice is nice and tender, you know? Yeah, man. Alright, so while the rice is cooking, we're going to season up the shrimp. Now you want to add a little bit of paprika, about a teaspoon, some garlic, a little bit of white pepper powder, not much, seafood magic, add about a tablespoon, I'll say a tablespoon of seafood magic. Now add that nice seafood flavor to it, you know, that spice, that bang bang. Yeah, man. Alright, so now we're gonna mix it up a little bit. You know, you wanna grab a spoon. Alright, season. You know what, this is not gonna work. I'm gonna use my hands. You know, mix it up and yeah, man, mix it up. Make sure it's well coated and everything. Yeah, season is all over the place. Yeah, man. Rub it up. Mix it up. So guys, we're gonna let this sit for about 5 minutes. Let it marinate. Wash my hands them real quick and get back to the video. Don't go nowhere. Alright guys, so go ahead and add some oil. About 2 tablespoons of cooking oil. Add your shrimp. So we're gonna fry our shrimp for about 1 to 2 minutes. 1 to 2 minutes on the first side, flip it over, and repeat the same step again. You wanna make sure the shrimp is fully cooked before we add any other ingredients. Smelling so good. Wow. Alright guys, so take a look at the risotto. Our saffron risotto. It's looking good. It's not there yet, but we're almost there. Alright? It's coming along perfectly fine. So we're gonna cook this for about 10 more minutes. We should be good to go. Low heat, baby. So once your shrimp start to turn pink, go ahead and flip it over. Whoa, smelling good. This one will cook it a little bit longer. One, two. Yeah, man. Add a little bit more oil, guys. All right. So in total, I added about 5 tablespoons of cooking oil. Alright guys, time to make our sauce, alright? So we're gonna add about a teaspoon of cornstarch. You know, this is gonna allow our sauce to be nice and thick. Mix it up a little bit. Alright. Add your cornstarch. Now we're going to add our minced garlic, habanero pepper, our grated ginger. Yeah, man, flavor turn up. Now we're going to add some soy sauce. Ooh, about a tablespoon of soy sauce, guys. You don't want to salt it up, you know. Yeah, man. Sprinkle sugar. Brown sugar, tablespoon of brown sugar. Yeah, add a little bit of sweetness to this lovely dish. shake it up a little bit. Yeah, man. Flip it over again. Rotate them. Make sure so both sides get a little taste of the sugar. You know? The flavor, the aroma, everything. Yeah. Looking beautiful. Right now, motor. We'll run water right now. Yes, guys, this is a lovely dinner recipe that you can try at home. Yeah, man, stir it up. All right. Look at the sauce. The sauce is nice and thick. Look at that drip. Yes. Smelling so good. Oh my God. All right, so we're just gonna remove this from the heat and start shear the plate. Yeah, man. At this point, guys, you want to add your cheese. You're still gonna have a little bit of liquid remaining in the actual rice. So now you're gonna add your grated Parmesan cheese. Stir it up a little. And this is gonna become nice and creamy. Nice and thick. And the Parmesan cheese is going to give it that nice, you know, creamy, cheesy flavor. And this is it. All right, so now we're going to put it on the plate and enjoy.